Hey, Tyler Perry here, and I'm excited because I'm a part of the Netflix family. So they sent me some gifts that I'm gonna open. And you know, Netflix, I mean, billions of subscribers all around the world. This is gonna be phenomenal. So I got gifts here, and I'm gonna start with the first one. You know, when you have a company like this that's so huge and global, Oh, this is great. It's a mug, and is it a keychain? Somebody likes their name as much as Tyler Perry likes to put his name on it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, Netflix socks, so that I can promote Netflix after I shower. And fanny pack, and guess what name's on it? It's not Gucci, not Prada, it says Netflix. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I can't fit it, but it's great. I guess it's Netflix. And this is actually a really good gift. Umbrella. I bet it says Netflix, but I'm not gonna open it in the house because that's bad luck. If it were raining, I'd do it, but okay. This one's heavy, and I'm gonna guess what's inside it. This is 1937 Dom Perignon. It's a blender. This is really great. Really great blender to blend things. I don't even think I know what this is. Charge before recharge. It's a dust buster. Oh, great. I don't bust dust, but it'll be good to. Thank you. And Pittsburgh. Homesick, what is this? It's a scented candle that smells like Pittsburgh. Homesick, oh, I get it, but I'm not from Pittsburgh. It'll burn. Thanks, Netflix, we can light it. Thank you, I appreciate all these wonderful gifts. And oh, there's another one. I really needed this. I mean, I really needed a plunger. Netflix is awesome. Just all of those subscribers, and they sent me a plunger. Ooh. A knife to cut things. That's a really great knife too. I gotta talk to Ted about this shit. Let's see. Ooh. Bigger kind of knife for butcher. Chop. Aha! Got safety first. I mean, gotta have latex gloves for prostate exam. You know, it's really great. I appreciate. And this is it. This is the one that I've really wanted to have my whole life. Mustard from Netflix. They give the best gifts. So please keep subscribing so they can continue to give mustard to people who do movies for them. Okay, I'm lying. These gifts up, but please watch Madea's Homecoming on Netflix. Don't hold it against them. They'll get better.
You look like horsepower.
Say something else, Joe. Just shut up. Shut up while you're living. Shut up while you got your nuts. Please shut up. I'll put them in that nutcracker.